Gulfstream Park and Casino is a historic, year-round entertainment destination in Hallandale Beach, Florida, known for its thoroughbred horse racing dating back to its opening in 1939 and its large casino complex with Vegas-style gaming. The facility includes more than 800 slot machines across 2 floors, electronic table games, live poker, and is part of a larger entertainment district with dining, shopping, and event spaces. Originally built as a racetrack, the site expanded significantly in 2000s to add more modern casino gaming, following legal authorization, and now blends racing, wagering, dining, and nightlife all in one major South Florida venue.
It's a decent size. Let's take a look around. I think it's just tall ceilings that make it look big. Yeah. A lot of the new games. There's your game.
There's my game.
Do you want to get a rewards card?
Should I?
Yeah. Shiba Link. Jewel of the Dragon. Let's walk over here. So this level 2, Friday through Saturday is open 24 hours. Level 1, noon to midnight. Interesting. Blue Frog. I don't see any old games here, a lot of new games.
Gimme.
Diamond Age, Aristocrat, huh? That's what I noticed about games in Florida. A lot of the games I have never seen before. There you go, is your Puff and even more Puff Grand. Planet Moolah. Oh, and they got your Lion Link. This is a, what is this? Extra monkeys. Oh, Reyna's gonna want to play that. There's a lot of these Leprechaun games that she likes. Then the game that I despise playing, but I've been playing it more often, the Firecracker games. Looks like a lot of the older games are in this corner. Probably try these out. Ooh, Lucky Lemmings. Lucky Lemmings. Alright, let's go. Go get Reyna. Then she can walk over here with me. Roulette. Sheba Lake.
Where they give you a scratch card.
Okay.
You choose a scratch card basically, and then you scratch what you get.
Okay.
You can get free play, or you can get a free gift.
Oh, what did you get?
Free play.
How much did you get?
$15.
Oh, I might have to go check that out.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna finish walking over here and then up here, and then we'll figure out
What to do?
what to do. Maybe I'll get a card too. So I noticed that all the older games are over in this section here. All the other games. Those are about to burst. Bonus! Mystery rewards. They have this. They have.
Royal Real.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we got to play that. Royal Reels. Then you have your selection of, you could select your games here. You go up in that. Is that a lot? Oh, interesting. They have your single roulette, electronic single. Single electronic roulette, everybody. Okay. Wonder what up here. Is it? Good question. Yeah, it's high limit. Lightning Link. A lot of Dragon Links. Player's Paradise. Royal Reels. Take it or leave it. Yeah, it is a small casino. You got your casino wizard over here. Quick hit platinum, there's your bar. Alright everybody, we're gonna go figure out what game to play. That's your walking tour. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for the next one.